This YouTube channel earns an average of $13,000 per month. You heard it right. $13,000? The only thing it does is upload 2-minute how-to style videos. Yes, the channel is 4 years old, but its content is what we call evergreen, something people will always need and search for. Now, I will show you how to create a YouTube channel that can generate an average of $13,000 per month just by copying and pasting. Yes, just by copying and pasting, without writing text, designing visuals, recording voiceovers, or even editing videos. I will show you how to create amazing videos. Let's get started. Click on the link I left in the description to access the tool. What is InVideo? It is an amazing video creation tool that allows you to generate videos from text or links. You won't believe the final result. Without writing text or recording voiceovers, InVideo creates videos for you using the text or link you provide. We will now create a YouTube channel together that can earn $13,000 per month by using this tool. Let's start quickly by trying InVideo. This step doesn't require any credit card information. The only thing you need to do is log in with your email. I will log in quickly using my Gmail account. Once you log into InVideo, you will be greeted with a clean interface. The only thing you need to do here is describe the type of video you want in the text box that appears. You can use any language. There are no limitations. Additionally, InVideo provides various options for creating videos. Do you want to make shorts, animations, or do you want to use your own script? By selecting these options, you can proceed. You can also choose from InVideo's models at the top. Each model has its own features. For example, version 2 allows production in 55 languages and offers better voiceovers and longer promos. Now, let's return to our project. What were we going to do? We were going to ask InVideo to create a video for us by simply copying and pasting. Now, let's take a look at the YouTube channel that gave us the idea of making $13,000 per month. This YouTube channel is called SmartFox. For those wondering how I determine this channel's earnings, I have left links to the websites I used for statistics in the description. You can check them yourself. I sorted the channel's videos by popularity. A video from 3 years ago has 14 million views, and another has 9.5 million views. This shows us that if you create videos on topics that always interest people and are useful to them, your videos will remain relevant for years. If you are thinking about making money from YouTube, focus on video topics that will always attract people's interest and solve their problems in an engaging way. Now, let's open one of these videos and see how SmartFox does it.
In this video I show you why you should rub your windshield with an apple, because this is a very old trick which unfortunately is increasingly forgotten. Therefore be sure to watch the video to the end, because this picture is certainly familiar to you. It's raining and of course you use your windshield wipers. But what should you do if your windshield wipers don't work anymore, for example, or are very broken? Exactly then an apple can help you, because the apple trick is very popular, especially among truck drivers for a long time, and it has directly 2 advantages, which I will show you and explain to you now. What you have to do for it: cut the apple open in the middle and then rub the cut surface over the windshield, because the malic acid contained in the apple creates a lotus effect. This means that water simply rolls off and does not stick to the windshield. This gives you a much better view even in the rain, especially if your windshield wipers have failed and you have no other way to clear the windshield. With this apple trick you can at least see enough to drive to the next garage or even a little further home. Here you can see the whole thing directly. The water runs just like that down the window.
As you can see, this is a useful and free tip for car owners, especially during the winter months. Now, let's like the video and copy its link. I told InVideo to create a 1-minute YouTube video using this link. All I need to do is click the Generate Video button. At this stage, InVideo analyzes the video, understands its content, and generates a similar video for me. Next, InVideo asks for details like our target audience, how the video should look, and where we plan to publish it. Before that, we have 2 options. Should InVideo use stock images and videos, or should it generate media using AI? If we choose generative media, we need to upgrade our plan. However, we can also select a visual style before proceeding. I will choose DIY lovers as the audience instead of car enthusiasts. Since I chose generative media, it asks me to upgrade, but I will proceed with the free plan to see the stock media output. I can also update my prompt here before continuing. Now, my video is being prepared. While the video is being generated, let's check the pricing plans. Right now, we are creating a video using the free plan. Since we are using stock photos, we will see watermarks from stock media sites in our final video. The free plan also does not include features like voice cloning. However, it allows us to generate up to 10 minutes of video per week. If you want to do this professionally and invest in your YouTube or social media channels, you can choose an annual plan. Currently, there is a 120% discount. I have left the link in the description for you to check the plans in detail. Now, let's watch our video.
Stop using fancy chemicals on your windshield. Grab an apple instead. So, you've probably never thought about rubbing an apple on your windshield, right? Well, let me tell you, it's a genius hack that truckers have been using for ages. Here's the deal. Cut an apple in half and rub the cut side on your windshield. The magic comes from the fruit acid, malic acid to be fancy. It dissolves all those pesky insect splatters, making your windshield crystal clear. But wait, there's more. The malic acid creates a lotus effect, making water just roll off your windshield. Imagine driving in the rain without wipers and still having a perfect view. Next time you're in a jam, grab an apple and give it a go. You'll be amazed at this old school yet ingenious trick. Happy driving, folks.
As you can see, we only provided a link and asked for a shorts video in the same style. The transitions, voiceovers, and flow were all generated successfully. Even in the free version, we can download the video in HD. On this screen, we can edit, download, or request changes to the video. Let's check out the editing section. After clicking Edit, InVideo shows all the stock photos used. You can replace these with custom images to remove watermarks. You can also change the music if you want a different vibe. You can upload your own music or choose from stock tracks. In the script section, you can manually edit the text or update stock media keywords. In the settings section, you can customize subtitles, fonts, and text appearance. After making adjustments, the video will be reprocessed. Let me show you another way to generate videos quickly. Go to the Workflows section and select Link to Video. Here, you choose the platform: YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Paste the link of a YouTube video, blog post, or any web page. Then choose the type of media it should use. You can also customize background music, language, subtitle style, and watermark text. To view generated videos, go to History. Here you can download your shorts video. Since I'm on the free plan, there is a watermark. Now, I will download my video in 1080p resolution. The only thing left is to upload it to my YouTube channel and start making $13,000 per month. Click the InVideo link in the description to check out this tool for yourself.